Okay, you guys ready? Oh, don't knock that phone down. Let's see.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, gosh damn it. Yeah, baby! Oh, my beer. Dude, I can't even. Oh, you can see it.
It's barely seen.
Yeah. This would be perfect. Dude, that's perfect.
But once you start.
Oh, Jared, you're gonna. I mean, Cody, you're gonna fucking love this thing.
It's like,
Dude, that's a pretty good barrel of amber,
oh yeah.
Jared.
Let's just listen, huh? I like to hear it pop.
It'll take a few minutes. Jared, do you want to do this in Moab?
Yeah.
So I should buy one?
Yeah, my mom and dad have never seen it.
Oh, hell yeah.
They'll enjoy it. Oh, I got the shakes for some reason.
Ting.
Make sure you cover your face.
We gotta hear the tinging. Oh,
Yeah, Cole's might come.
I'm pretty sure we won't get hit with ambers this far back.
Dude, we will.
Really?
Yeah, dude, that come out far as fuck. Maybe I should get behind the radio.
Oh, dude, I can't wait. Dude, that'd be funny if that aerosol can was bad because it's been so long.
Dude, it is kind of weird. It was kind of loose in there. Hope it all works out. Oh shit! Already?
Oh, it's going. It will go. Here we go, baby. Tinging. It's the first ting. Oh shit!
It's not gonna come back at us.
Oh, it's gonna blow the fuck up. Oh shit! I love it. Oh
Is it loud
shit,
as fuck?
Jared.
Yeah, it's fucking loud.
Oh, here we go. It's gonna go any minute.
It's like a time bomb. Shit, I never heard that.
Dude, this is gonna be so sweet.
Oh! Oh, that's bad.
Holy shit. Dude, that was sweet. Look, it's like it's stars all over it.